Do you want to open locked chats in WhatsApp? You can find locked chats on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to open locked chats in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Locked chats in WhatsApp are the conversations that have been secured with an additional layer of privacy. You need to use a fingerprint or a PIN password to access to specific locked chat. To find and open locked chats in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in the WhatsApp chat screen, swipe down the screen on the main chat list. Now, at the top of the chat list, you will see a locked chats option. If it is not available, scroll down to the bottom of the chat list. You might find the locked chats option there. Tap on locked chats to view your locked conversations. WhatsApp will ask you to use your fingerprint or PIN password for verification purposes. Use one of the options to open the locked chat list. This will display all your locked chats. Find and tap on the specific chat to view individual or group conversations. By following these simple steps, you will be able to find and open your locked chats on WhatsApp.